Ladies and gentlemen, today we are diving into one of the coolest rolling combinations ever created. Larry Wood's 1938 Ford COE truck paired with a glorious 1951 Spartan Royal Manor trailer. This thing looks like the kind of machine a millionaire pilot from 1953 would drive while carrying cigars, jazz records, and probably 3 divorces in the glove box. Larry Wood was not just another custom builder with a garage full of rusty dreams and unpaid tool bills. The man was automotive royalty. Born with a passion for sketching cars, he spent his school years drawing hot rods instead of paying attention to mathematics. Honestly, I respect that. Larry eventually graduated from the famous Art Center in Southern California, one of the most respected design schools in America. From there, he joined Ford Motor Company, but destiny had bigger plans waiting in California. Larry later joined Mattel during the golden rise of Hot Wheels. Working alongside legendary designers, he became one of the defining creative minds behind generations of toy cars. During his decades at Hot Wheels, Larry designed a tiny cab-over-engine truck with a trailer and always dreamed of building it in real life. Retirement finally gave him the opportunity, but first came the classic problem: truck or trailer. Like philosophers arguing over chickens and eggs, Larry searched for the perfect starting point. Fate answered with a stunning 35-foot-long 1951 Spartan Royal Manor trailer discovered in Michigan. Somebody had converted it into a fifth-wheel setup back in the 1970s, which saved Larry an enormous amount of fabrication work. Spartan Aircraft Company was founded in 1928 by oil entrepreneur William Skelly before eventually expanding into luxury trailer production after Paul Getty purchased the company. After World War II, Spartan used aircraft building techniques and polished aluminum construction to create some of the most luxurious travel trailers in America. Remember, this was before giant RV resorts and satellite television. Back then, pulling a Spartan trailer across America meant you were either wealthy, adventurous, or running from taxes. Larry completely rebuilt much of the trailer. He installed dropped axles, electric brakes, modern 15-inch steel wheels with moon discs, and fabricated a new belly pan to conceal updated water and sewer system. Twin 6-volt batteries and propane tanks were tucked underneath, while new electrical systems modernized the interior. Larry even taught himself riveting to repair the aluminum panels. That alone deserves respect. Inside, the original woodwork had suffered years of abuse, so Larry reconstructed the cabinetry using custom-cut birch. Only the original sink survived the restoration. A hidden storage compartment sat beneath the front bed, while a modern entertainment center added television, stereo equipment, DVD capability, and 6 speakers throughout the cabin. 6 speakers? This trailer probably sounded better than half the apartments built today. Bob once heard about the speaker system and warned me it was government mind control acoustics. Bob still uses a flashlight during power outages even in daytime because he doesn't trust electricity. The truck itself became an engineering masterpiece. Larry located a 1938 Ford COE in Placerville, California, then mounted the body onto a modified P-30 step van chassis. The frame received powder coating while the engine placement was lowered and moved rearward for better proportions. Considering the combined size of the truck and trailer, stopping was probably slightly important unless you wanted to enter intersections like a bowling ball. Under the cab sat a Chevrolet 383-stroker V8 based on a Chevy 350 block, using a Scat crankshaft, RV camshaft, Edelbrock Performer intake, manifold, Mississippi D ignition. The engine delivered strong torque while remaining reliable enough for long highway trips. Cooling came from dual electric fans and a custom radiator. polished 19-inch Alcoa aluminum wheels completed the look, wrapped with 225/70ths front tires and massive 8R rear rubber. What makes Larry Wood's creation so unforgettable is not just the engineering, but the philosophy behind it. This was never intended to become a museum piece hidden under velvet ropes while wealthy collectors whisper about tire pressure. Larry built this rig to drive, enjoy, and proudly show to the world. The truck's stretched cab, widened proportions, narrowed sleeper, and custom rear window transformed the old 1938 Ford Co. into something that looked both vintage and futuristic at the same time. The interior of the Spartan trailer follows the same philosophy. Instead of blindly restoring everything to factory condition, Larry blended classic style with practical comfort. The birch cabinetry, stainless handrails, Lexan windows, updated electrical systems, and hidden storage all preserved the soul of the original trailer while making it genuinely usable in modern times. Today's motorhomes often resemble giant hotel corridors designed by accountants. Everything is efficient, smooth, quiet, and about as emotionally exciting as tax paperwork. Larry's build has character. Every rivet, every polished panel, every curve tells a story. The truck alone would stop traffic at any classic show, but together with the Spartan trailer, it becomes rolling automotive theater. Back in the early 1950s, Spartan trailers were among the most luxurious travel units money could buy. Depending on configuration, a Spartan Royal Manor could cost several $1,000s when new, equivalent to well over $50,000, $70,000 today adjusted for inflation. And that was just the trailer. Wealthy families, traveling businessmen, and adventurous retirees bought Spartans because they represented prestige during the birth of America's highway culture. The interstate system was still developing. Roadside motels were exploding in popularity, and polished aluminum trailers symbolized freedom itself. High-end Spartan restorations have appeared at auctions including Barrett-Jackson and specialty vintage trailer events, often selling for tens of thousands of dollars depending on originality and craftsmanship. Fully custom towel rigs paired with restored Spartans can push values dramatically higher because buyers are purchasing rolling artwork rather than simple transportation. And honestly, Larry Wood deserves enormous praise for completing this project. Many people dream about building legendary vehicles after retirement, but most end up buying extra gardening tools and arguing with television news channels. Larry instead created a hand-built masterpiece combining Hot Wheels imagination with full-scale craftsmanship. The funniest part is that this giant polished machine probably attracts more smiles than modern supercars, costing millions. Older enthusiasts admire the craftsmanship. Even random strangers at gas stations probably start conversations immediately. Huge thanks to the sponsors of the channel, the legendary subscribers keeping this rolling circus alive. Without you, I'd probably be reviewing rusty shopping carts with Timmy while Bob explained how aluminum trailers are secretly satellite receivers for Martians. Stay happy, stay curious, and if you ever buy a 35-foot vintage trailer, make sure your marriage is stronger than the parking brakes.